Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a tutor next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday, tomorrow. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold, though the chart is showing sideways nature here, but overall, okay, we cannot deny the fact that gold is little bit under pressure because there's a war going on, but still we can see that gold is not going up, rather gold is under pressure. And if you look at the market sentiment also, you can see gold back on the defensive. Gold price dropped below 5050 per ounce on Friday as a strengthening US dollar and fading expectations for interest rate cut outweighed the traditional safe haven appeal of the precious metal. So most of the people are not investing or putting their money on gold right now, because of which we can see that gold is a little bit under pressure. And if we just look at the chart or the daily chart here, you can clearly see overall the trend of the market is up. So if you are a traditional investor, if you prefer to hold your positions for a couple of months and years, then obviously you don't need to worry. Fundamental gold is bullish. You can hold your buy positions because this is the daily chart of gold. But if we look at the chart carefully, then you can see there is a little bit of a structural change. Okay, so if you are a swing trader, if you do not hold positions for months and years, but for a couple of days and weeks, then yes, there is a little bit of okay, tension here, because you can see gold is no longer forming higher highs here. So whenever we see this type of scenario, okay, there is a possibility that market will be under pressure. So my dear friend, if you are a swing trader, and this may not be the right time to take a buy position, okay, unless something crazy happens, because overall the chart of gold may be bullish, but yes, we can see some pressure here. Okay, and if you are looking for trading opportunities, then we need to understand this chart properly, and this is the hourly chart of gold. So as expected, 5000 was playing a critical role here. Market was not ready to go below 5000, so buyers around 5000 really tried their best to keep the market above 5000. So next week will be very crucial for the market, because if gold drops below 5000, then we may see a different scenario here. But if gold remains around 5000, okay, then it will be difficult for us to trade. Remember, a couple of weeks ago gold was trading around 5000. 5000 was acting as a magnet around 4 to 5 weeks ago. Okay, remember that period was very volatile and unpredictable. So if market remains around 5000, then we may see a similar scenario again, because as a day trader or a swing trader, okay, we need clarity. And if there is not much clarity on the chart, then obviously it will be difficult for us to trade, because as a trader we either want market to go up, market to go down, or market to stay in a fixed range. But if you see a choppy market, levels are not clear, then obviously it will be difficult for us to trade. So next week the role of 5000 is going to be very, very important, and as we all know, market opening is going to play a crucial role. So after the market opening, okay, if we see market is going up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, the volume is going to play a major role. Yes, volume. If you see market is going up with big green candles, then I think it will be better for us to wait for some time. Okay, let the market settle down. If you have been trading for a couple of months and years, you must know that market opening and market closing are not the ideal time to trade, because if market needs to settle down. So here after the market opening, if you see market is going up with big green candles, if you want to buy, okay, just for scalping purpose, it's up to you. But if you want some clarity, then it will be better for you to market settle down. And if you see market is going up with small candles, then the first selling opportunity will be around 5096 to 5100. The black dotted line that you see here is the first selling opportunity, where you can look for a sell position as a day trader. Okay, if you see market is going up with small green candles, why? Because we have a minor resistance here, and here we are using Fibonacci. We can see Fibonacci is working nicely here. Okay, so we are expecting FIBO to work again around 50965100. If market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell around this particular zone here. And one level, one trade only. It means that after getting one selling opportunity, do not try to sell again, because right now we can see the market is facing resistance around 5063. Okay, next week chances are very less that 5063 will be working as resistance again. Okay, here we can see it is FIBO 23.6 plus previous support working as resistance. So this is our second resistance around 5096 5100. Okay, you can see here that I have also drawn one more dotted line here. This is 5150. Okay, 5150 is another selling opportunity for us. So 5100 and 5150 are two selling opportunities where we can look for a sell position. But if you look at the chart carefully, you can see there's a red line here that I have drawn. Okay, let me remove the FIBO. Look at the red line that here, because around 512527 we can see some resistance here, around 512527. So this resistance, okay, may not work. So personally I feel that, okay, after some liquidity sweep, if market comes down, means after liquidity sweep, means after hunting down all the stop losses around 30-35, if market drops, then we can look for a sell below 5125. So sell around 5096 5100, that is opportunity number one. Sell around 5125 after liquidity sweep is opportunity number two, and sell around 5150 is opportunity number three, where we can look for a sell position. Keep in mind, no level is permanent. If market behaves according to expectation, then only hit the sell button. Okay, so these are the three trading opportunities on the chart of gold, where you can look for a sell position if market goes up after the market opening. Keep in mind, volume is going to play a major role. After market opening, if you see a big green candle, use your common sense to not take a sell. Okay. And on the other hand, my dear friends, 4995 was the low made by the market. So during the day, okay, if market consolidates, okay, and if you see that there is a sudden drop on the chart of gold, we can look for a sell below 4995 as well. But be careful, because here also there is a possibility of liquidity sweep or SL hunting, because you can see here, okay, here also and here also, both in both the places I have drawn a line here. Why there is a possibility of liquidity sweep? Because 5000, okay, as we have already discussed at the beginning of the video, 5000 is going to play a magnet, एक चुंबक की तरह काम करेगा, magnet की तरह. Okay, so market may show, okay, try to understand, market may show that it is going down, but after hunting down all the stop losses, when it will be coming up, all the stop losses of retail traders will be gone. So if you're going to take a sell below 4995, be careful, do not go for a big lot size. So what we need to do here, after the market opening, if you see there is a consolidation around 5000 area, 499596 area, wait for some time. When there will be a drop, big drop, go for a quick sell opportunity. Means do not take a sell and forget, because there is a possibility that market may come up again and you may be trapped. Okay, so if you, there is a, yes, there is a possibility of a sell opportunity below 4995, but be careful, do not go for a big lot size, because SL hunting is possible. And obviously you can look for a buy position after the SL hunting, means when market will be covering again, when market will go up again, you can look for a buy position. And we have another buy opportunity around 4950. It's a buy opportunity because it is a round number. Okay, so let me wrap it up. You may be confused right now. If you're wondering what is the trend of the market, then the trend of the market is not very clear to us, because 5000 has acted as a magnet earlier. So there is a possibility that, though technically market is a little bit on the softer side, market are weak here, but still there is a possibility that 5000 may remain on the chart. Okay, so trend of the market is not very clear to us, but yes, there is a possibility the market may remain choppy next week. So after the market opening, if market goes up, means market has sustained the 5,000 level with big green candles. Then obviously we cannot do anything, we need to wait. But if we see market is going up with low volume, then we can look for a sell around 5096 5100 for a selling opportunity. We can look for a sell around 5125 after SL hunting. It's after liquidity sweep. If market comes down, we can look for a sell below 5125, and then we can look for a sell around 5150. So these are the three selling opportunities on the chart of gold if market gives us on Monday. Here we can look for a if market goes down, we can look for a sell below 4995, but you need to be very quick entry and exit, because there is a possibility that after a sell, market will be coming up again. So if it does, we can look for a buy above 5,000. If you understand the concept of liquidity sweep, it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so when market will be coming up again above 5,000, we can look for a buy position, and then we can look for a buy around 4950, because 4950 is a round number psychological support. So these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold that I personally feel we have for Monday right now. And one thing I would like to mention here is that you can clearly see that we are just sticking to the levels here, because right now, though market is showing there is a possibility of downtrend, but 5,000 may cause some trouble. Stay in touch with the news. Okay, let's wait and watch how does the market open. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.